Hey, what's up everybody? I'm the Bearded Techie, and today I'm coming at you with a quick 60-second tutorial on how to grade multiple clips all at once in Lightroom. So the first thing we're going to want to do is have our photos all imported. Make sure that you've got that done. First thing you're going to do after that is click a photo, one of the photos that you want to be graded. All right, so you can go over to the Develop tab, and you're going to grade it to your taste, however you like it. I think this photo is actually not too bad the way it is, but I'm going to add some extra stuff just to make it different from the other photos so that you guys can see that the grade has been applied when I do apply it. So, okay, that's kind of outrageous, but we'll just say that that's a good grade. We're happy with it. So once you're done grading, go over to the top left, develop, new preset. We're going to call this preset lenses. You can call yours whatever you want though. Leave everything checked, click create. All right, done. Go back to library, hit escape for grid view. All right, now select the next photo in the series and then hold shift and then select the last photo in the series and it'll select all the photos. Now that you've done that, go over to the quick develop tab over here on the right, go to saved preset, go to user presets and select the preset you just created. And now you've applied that same grade to every one of those photos. All right, guys, that's my quick 60-second tutorial. I hope you like it. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Tell me in the comments what you think below, or if you have any questions about this tutorial, go ahead and ask me. I'll get back to you and respond as quickly as possible. All right, guys, thanks again. I'm the Bearded Techie, signing out. See you guys next time.